Chapter 4. Delhi. Delhi is one of the most important metropolitan cities of our country. It is the capital of India. The old name of Delhi was Indraprastha, which was built by the Pandavas. During the Mughal period, Shah Jahan rebuilt it and called it Shah Jahanabad. Delhi is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. It is the third largest city in India with an area of about 1483 square kilometers. Delhi shares its boundaries with the states of Haryana on the northwest and Uttar Pradesh in the east. Delhi is divided into two parts, Old Delhi and New Delhi. These two parts together form the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Delhi is also called Mini India because people from other states of India also live here. The climate of Delhi is extreme. It is very hot and dry in summers and very cold in winters. Hot, dry winds known as Lu blow here in summers. Delhi receives its maximum rainfall during the months of July and August. Delhi has recently acquired the status of a full-fledged state like others in spite of being the National Capital Territory. Therefore, Delhi has its own elected government. It has a legislative assembly with the Chief Minister. Since it is the capital of India, all important offices of the central government are located here. The President, the Prime Minister, all the cabinet ministers and the senior government officers live in Delhi. The Chief Minister, other ministers and Lieutenant Governor also live in Delhi. The ambassador and high commissions of other countries are in New Delhi. Places of interest. Delhi has many famous and beautiful buildings. The residence of the President of India is called the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is situated on the top of Raisina Hill. Mughal gardens are a part of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. People can visit these gardens during springtime. The Parliament House is located near the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The India Gate is a historical building built during the British rule. It was built in the memory of brave Indian soldiers. A flame called Amar Jawan Jyoti always keeps burning at the India Gate in the memory of these soldiers. The Red Fort is one of the most famous historical buildings in Delhi. It was built by Shah Jahan. It is made up of red sandstone. Jama Masjid is the biggest mosque in India. It is situated near Red Fort. The Qutub Minar is a tall tower situated in Mehrauli. It is about 73 meters high. It was built by Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Jantar Mantar, Old Fort, Humayun's Tomb, Tughlaqabad Fort are some other historically important buildings located in Delhi. Delhi has a number of places of worship of all religions. The most famous of them are Birla Mandir, Chhatarpur Mandir, Lotus Temple, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Gurudwara Seesganj, Gurudwara Rakabganj, St. James Church, Jama Masjid and Moti Masjid. Some places of children's interest in Delhi are Nehru Planetarium, Zoological Park, Dolls Museum, Rail Museum, National Science Centre, Lodhi Garden, National Museum of National History. Delhi also has some very large shopping centres like Connaught Place, Palika Bazar, Chandni Chowk, Karol Bagh, etc. Transport. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has changed the face of the transportation system in Delhi. Metro rail has made the journeys easier and quicker. Let's understand metropolitan related to a large city, territory, a defined area, residence, a person's home. Recap: Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi has now become a full fledged state like other states. Delhi is the third largest city of India. The climate of Delhi is extreme. All central government offices are located in New Delhi.